Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 15-inch screen from 2 CCFL to a UB36 series LED kits. This 36 series comes with 2 LED strips, 1 LED driver, MS456UB, and 1 6-pin pigtail connectors. So let's set aside the kit for a second, take a look at the screen. This screen is 15-inch, it's made by Sharp. Screen part number is LQ150X1LG71. LQ150X1LG71. To replace, upgrade it from CCFL to our UB36 series is quite easy because there's pretty much no soldering involved, because when you replace a lamp, you need to desolder and solder new lamps. So let's take a look at the structure. The simplest way is that you remove the 2 screws on top and bottom, that which is holding a the backlight assembly. Let me show you this one, the bottom one. So first, you need to take out the wire like this, and then you need to remove 2 small Phillips screws. One, 2. Okay. After you remove it, it's very simple. You just grab the wire. Okay, just grab this wire. Slowly pull it out. You can do the same thing on this side. Let's set aside screen for a second. Let me take a look. This is the reflectors. See, the lamp is on. Okay. So if this is our 36 series, see, the bottom is flat, perfect. So we can mount it right back to the same reflector, slice right back. Okay, so perfect. So before you take out the old lamp, you kind of like get the feel, you know, how you're going to tape it back to the reflector, because based on this rubber boots. Okay, so okay, remove it. This is the wire. Okay. Done. So we're gonna do like this. Let me try to measure it. Yeah, pretty much this is gonna align with this end. And okay, now you just peel off. Double side tip. Here's my small screwdriver. Okay. Here we go. You just push it, push it. You can push it harder, 1 second at a time, and then until it sticks to the reflectors. You see? Perfect. The LEDs stay on the top, on the bottom flat. Now it's done. So let's put it back. Same thing. Put the screw back. And then usually I add a piece of tape to take care of this. The wires. Wires we put back the same way it should be, you know, like this. See that? I'm going to add a piece of tape here to secure the wire. Perfect, it's done. 5 minutes. So you're going to repeat the exact same procedure on this end, on the top. But now I want to show it to you how to connect to it. So this LED strip, you know, either way, connect each one. This kit comes with 1 6-pin pigtail. Red is for VIN input, black is for ground, white is for ADJ. Usually there's no adjustment, no connections. Yellow is very important. You need to enable. You need to apply anywhere between 3 to 5 volts to turn this driver on and off. If you couldn't find the enable voltage, then you need to shut the JP2. So then after JB2 is short, then disable, enable, you just connect positive, negative. Okay, how you connect to your inverter? So I have a few of these really common inverters. I want to show you how to identify those pin assignment. It's really simple. First thing, when you see this can capacitor, ground, negative, positive. Then you trace back, it's like for this one to the obvious, that fuse too. So this one, then you use a voltmeter, a very simple meter. You set it on resistor range. See, on resistor range, set it to, okay, right? So this is the pin 1. So you just put it in positive, pin 1. So pin 1, pin 2 is connected to wet, which is input voltage. So ground is very simple. See, capacitor, this is negative, ground. Then you measure all these pins. Pin 5, pin 6 is ground. So the one more pin you need to determine is which one is for enable. So then this one sometimes will be a little bit confusing between the ADJ enable. The good thing is that you can pick out this. See, 1, 2 is in, 5, 6 ground, either 3, 4 ADJ enable, which one? So you can connect one pin at a time to the yellow. Okay, if the LED strip stays on, that means that either pin 3, if you convert pin 3 to the yellow, LED not light up, pin 4 connect to yellow, and LED stay on, light up, that means pin 4 is enabled. It's quite simple. Okay, thank you for watching.